So now I will discuss the losses in the transformer. Losses. These total losses are divided into two groups. One is major losses, and second one is minor losses. These major losses are two types. One is copper losses which takes place in the winding, and another one is iron losses. Iron losses takes place in the iron parts. Iron parts are nothing but core of the winding, and this copper losses is depends on the current. These copper losses again two types, that is the primary copper losses I1 R1, and the secondary copper losses are I2 square R2, and the total losses are called I1 square R1 plus I2 square R2. Otherwise, this is also called I1 square R01, refers to primary, or I2 square R02, which I explained in the equivalent circuit parameters. And again, iron losses are two types. One is hysteresis losses, and another one is eddy current losses. Hysteresis losses which will take place due to the uh, alternating nature of the current. Because of this alternating nature, this hysteresis losses will be takes place. Because of this hysteresis losses, magnetostriction phenomena will take place. Nothing but a magnetic hum, that is called magnetic hum. So you can hear sound from the transformer. If you stand nearby the transformer, you can hear the sound. That is sound is due to the this is hysteresis losses. So if anything that is providing sound, nothing but because of some consuming energy, that is nothing but wastage of some losses. That is nothing but hysteresis losses. That sound is called nothing but magnetostriction phenomena. Magnetostriction phenomena is nothing but if you apply the alternating varying nature of the current to the transformer, the compression expansion of the uh, lamination will be takes place. That is due to the hysteresis nature of the material. So you can understand this is hysteresis curve with uh, I already prepared a video based on hysteresis. You can watch that one. And also eddy current losses. Eddy current losses will be takes place in the transformer core. So this is if you made this transformer with ideal nothing but a solid material. So whenever flux passes through this core, whenever flux passes through this core, this as per the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, time varying nature of the flux cuts the this core, and EMF will be induces, and the current will be circulates inside the core. That current is nothing but eddy currents. Eddy currents. Okay, these eddy currents losses will be takes place inside the core of the transformer. And now again, these minor losses are depends on one losses is voltage, another losses in current. This current these minor losses, one losses is current, that losses is called stray copper losses. Stray copper losses are nothing but if you make the transformer with primary winding with a solid winding, solid wire, nothing but current will passes in unidirectional, and also some local currents. So some local current will be passes because of due to the wide area of cross section area. Some local currents, some of the currents will be locally circulates. Because of that local currents, some bombardment of molecules will be wasted some energy. That is nothing but stray copper losses. And another one is uh, stray out some nothing but stray copper losses. This is stray copper losses, and another minor losses will be takes place, which depends on voltage. That is nothing but outer if the flux cuts the outer periphery of the transformer tank. Nothing but if the leakage flux will cuts the outer periphery of the transformer, some losses will be takes place. That is because of the voltage, because the flux depends on voltage. That's why this is depends on these losses depends on voltage. These are the total losses will be divided into major losses and minor losses. Minor losses nothing but stray copper losses, and this stray iron losses. So this is stray iron losses which depends on voltage. And here major losses are two types. One is copper losses and iron losses. These copper losses are nothing but primary copper losses and secondary copper losses. And total losses will be I1 square R1, I2 square R2, or equivalent total copper losses will refers to primary nothing but I1 square R01. R01 is nothing but R1 plus R2 dash. So in similarly, total copper losses nothing but I2 square R02. R02 is nothing but R2 plus R1 dash. So here major losses, one losses depends on voltage and another losses depends on current. So this iron losses depends on voltage. Minor also one losses depends on voltage, that is nothing but stray iron losses, and only depends on current, that is one stray copper losses. The stray copper losses because of the local currents in the conductor, and the stray iron losses nothing but whenever the leakage flux it cuts the transformer tank and outer peripheral devices of the transformer, and EMF induces in the transformer tank also, and because of that one some of the currents, local current will be takes place, some of the eddy current will be takes place in the transformer tank. Those losses are nothing but stray iron losses. So these are the total losses in the transformer.